Hey everyone, welcome to your computer class. Today we will study editing cell contents in Excel 2013. Our today's session includes overwriting cell contents, partial modification, copying cell contents and deleting cell contents. So let's begin. Overwriting cell contents. Excel 2013 is a program that lets you work with numbers in an organized manner. Previously, we have studied how to enter data and how to select the data. In today's session, we will be learning how to edit the cell contents. So, after you have entered the data in a cell, you might need to change it in some way or the another. So, let's see how we can edit it. First way is overwriting, that is changing the content completely. So let's see how we can do. Sometimes you may wish to replace the contents of a cell completely. This is done by writing over the existing text. To overwrite cell contents, just select the cell and type the new content like this and just press enter. So for example, I want to edit this content. I want to replace the content of this cell by number 55. So first step is click on the cell, type the text and press enter. Simple. Partial modification. Sometimes you may only want to change a few characters in a cell rather than the entire contents of the cell. So there are three ways to modify partial content of a cell. First way is double click the cell to edit the cell contents directly. I will double click on this cell, the cursor will appear and then I can use the arrow keys and the keys on the keyboard to edit it like this. I am using backspace key and I am editing my text like this. Second way is select the cell and press F2 function key. The cursor will appear and then you can use the keyboard keys to edit it like this. Third way is select the cell like this and then use this formula bar to edit the cell contents. I'll click here and I can edit the cell contents. We have learned how to edit the cell contents. Now let's learn how to delete the cell contents. To delete the cell contents, you can follow any one method among the three methods I am going to tell you. For example, I have to delete this word Farah. This Farah word is in G2 cell. This is G2. So the cell name is G2. I want to delete the cell contents of G2 cell. So first method is select the cell. So how we select the cell? Just click on the cell. So I am clicking on G2 cell. Now from your keyboard press the delete key. Delete key is on your right hand side. The cell contents get deleted. Simple way. Now before learning the second method of deleting the cell contents, I will first undo my action. I will bring this word back again. So for undoing our action, we will press Ctrl Z. So once I press Ctrl Z, the word is back. That means I have undone my action. Now second method for deleting cell content is select the cell. Just click on the cell to select it. Right click and when you right click, this context menu appears and from here click on clear contents. Simple. So the contents of this G2 cell will get deleted. Our third method is first I will undo my action by doing Ctrl Z And what is the shortcut key for redoing the text? That is Control Y. So undo Control Z, redo is Control Y. Now third method of deleting cell content is select the cell, go to the Home tab. This is my Home tab. In the Home tab, under the Editing group, this is Editing group, you will see the option of Clear. Click on this and click on Clear Contents. This clear the contents of the cell which is selected, like this. Copying cell contents. It means duplication of data from one location to another using the copy and paste method. You can copy data from one location to another using the copy-paste method. Now, let's follow these steps to copy and paste the data from one location to another. So, first step is select the range of cells you want to copy. I will use my mouse and drag it and select the portion I want to copy or duplicate. Now go to the Home tab and click on Copy. Now you will see the dotted line around the selected area. Click on the cell or the location where you want to paste the cell contents. Now after clicking over there, go to Home tab again and click on Paste. Very first option, Paste, will paste the contents over here like this. So this is how we can copy paste the contents from one location to another. It creates a duplicate copy of the selected content.